Have you ever heard about a simple remedy that only a small handful of seniors swear by? Combining Epsom salts, magnesium sulfate, with baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, in a warm bath is an age-old home remedy that many claim eases joint stiffness, muscle aches, and even tension headaches. Although it might sound like a forgotten trick from the past, numerous seniors report that making it part of their routine helps them feel more comfortable and enjoy a deeper sense of relaxation. Epsom salts have long been known as a soothing aid for tired muscles, while baking soda is usually relegated to kitchen tasks. Yet, when combined in a warm bath, these two ingredients seem to work in harmony, creating a uniquely comforting environment. Many seniors say that soaking in this mixture makes daily activities, such as climbing stairs, gardening, or even just standing for a while, feel less burdensome. They also claim that it helps improve circulation, easing the chronic chill in their hands and feet. A consistent theme among those who have adopted this practice is the noticeable improvement in blood flow. As we age, circulation can slow down, leading to cold extremities and slower healing of minor injuries. Epsom salts are believed to facilitate a modest absorption of magnesium through the skin, which in turn supports vascular function, while the baking soda helps create a silkier, more soothing water texture. Many users report that over several weeks, their feet feel warmer and their legs seem to have more stamina. One gentleman in his early 70s mentioned that his morning walks became noticeably easier after a few weeks of regular soaks, and another lady noted that the persistent numbness in her fingertips had lessened. Joint relief is another significant benefit. Over decades of wear and tear, joints can become stiff and painful. Seniors have found that the warmth of the bath, enhanced by the magnesium in Epsom salts, helps ease joint discomfort. Baking soda, on the other hand, improves the overall feel of the water, reducing irritation on sensitive skin. Although no one claims that an Epsom salt and baking soda bath cures arthritis or completely eliminates joint issues, many agree that a regular soak can lessen the intensity of daily aches and contribute to improved flexibility. For example, one user described how his knees, which used to protest every morning, gradually began to feel more supple and less resistant to movement. Muscle tension is yet another area where this remedy shines. Even simple activities, such as carrying groceries or doing light housework, can leave muscles feeling sore as one ages. The magnesium in Epsom salts is renowned for its potential to ease mild muscle cramps, and when combined with the gentle effect of baking soda, the overall experience can help loosen tight muscles and reduce overall body tension. Many seniors find that a regular bath not only alleviates immediate discomfort, but also contributes to a greater overall sense of well-being. One story that stands out is of a retired teacher who said that her evening baths helped her unwind from a day full of chores, leaving her body relaxed and her mind clear enough to enjoy a good book before bedtime. Detoxification and stress relief are also frequently cited advantages. While our bodies naturally detox through the liver and kidneys, a warm bath can support this process by opening pores and encouraging gentle perspiration. Users often describe feeling lighter and more refreshed afterward, with some even noticing a subtle improvement in their skin's clarity and texture. Equally important, the ritual of a warm bath offers a brief escape from daily stress. Whether it's a moment of solitude or a time for mindful meditation, the experience can help clear the mind and lower overall stress levels. Many seniors find that after a few weeks of regular soaks, they sleep more soundly, waking up feeling more energized and ready to face the day. Headache relief is another notable benefit. Many older adults suffer from tension headaches that stem from muscle tightness in the neck and shoulders. By soaking in a warm bath with Epsom salts and baking soda, the tension in these areas can gradually be released. Some users report that the frequency or severity of their headaches diminishes over time. One user explained how she used to experience frequent morning headaches that left her groggy all day. But after incorporating these soaks into her routine, her headaches became much less frequent and easier to manage. The method is straightforward. Fill your bathtub with comfortably warm water, warm enough to be soothing but never scalding. Add Epsom salts and an equal amount of baking soda. Many start with half a cup of each, adjusting the quantity based on tub size and personal preference. Soak for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the warmth and minerals to penetrate your muscles and joints. Some prefer to have a glass of water nearby to stay hydrated, while others simply let the water work its magic and then rinse off lightly afterward. For those who might not have a full bathtub available, a foot soak is an excellent alternative. A plastic basin or small tub filled with warm water, Epsom salts, and baking soda can work wonders for tired feet, especially for reducing swelling after a long day on your feet. Many who incorporate these soaks into their routine do so 2 or 3 times a week. They note that while the effects may be subtle at first, the cumulative benefits, such as reduced stiffness, improved flexibility, and a calmer mind, become evident over time. One woman in her 70s remarked that she used to struggle with cold feet at night, but after a few months of regular soaks, that discomfort diminished noticeably. Whether it's the improvement in circulation or the reduction in muscle tension, users agree that this simple practice offers a gentle, effective way to support overall well-being. Some seniors also mention that these baths contribute to better skin health. The gentle exfoliating effect of baking soda combined with the mineral-rich Epsom salts can help maintain a balanced skin pH and reduce dryness. As a result, many find that they need fewer lotions or creams afterward, and their skin feels naturally softer and more refreshed. Beyond the physical benefits, the ritual of a warm bath has a significant impact on mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, even a short period of quiet solitude is invaluable. Many older adults transform their bathrooms into a mini spa, dimming the lights or playing soothing music to enhance the experience. This brief escape allows them to pause, reflect, and reconnect with themselves, a crucial counterbalance to the stress and pressures of daily life. For those who might consider other treatments, remember that this remedy is not a substitute for professional medical care. Individuals with chronic conditions, such as high blood pressure or severe cardiovascular issues, should monitor the water temperature and duration carefully and consult with their healthcare provider. Simple hydration and moderate exposure are key. Some may explore additional methods like post-soak stretching or light exercise to complement the benefits of the bath. These activities can further enhance flexibility and circulation. In many cases, seniors have found that a quick series of gentle stretches after a soak magnifies the positive effects on muscle and joint comfort. Others might prefer a targeted foot soak instead of a full-body bath. A small basin works just as well for easing foot fatigue and swelling. This alternative can be particularly appealing for those with limited mobility or when a full bath is not convenient. The idea is to enjoy the core benefits without needing a lengthy procedure, making it a simple and accessible routine. A warm bath enriched with Epsom salts and baking soda stands out as an affordable, easy-to-implement remedy for common age-related discomforts. Its benefits, from improved circulation and reduced joint stiffness to alleviated muscle tension and lowered stress, make it a popular choice among seniors who value both physical relief and mental calm. Consistency is essential. Even small, regular soaks can lead to gradual yet meaningful improvements. If you decide to try this method, take a moment to observe how your body responds over time. Notice if climbing stairs becomes easier, if your muscles feel less tense, or if your sleep quality improves. Even if the changes are subtle, the routine itself provides a welcome break from the daily grind, a moment of self-care that reinforces the belief that you can positively impact your own health. While this remedy may not replace professional treatments for more serious conditions, it offers a gentle, holistic approach to managing the minor aches and stresses that often accompany aging. It is a simple reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are the ones that have been quietly passed down through generations. Share with friends and subscribe.